Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Casper. I'm going to start with this. Revolution in crypto. Casper is the first blockchain to solve the blockchain trilemma. With Casper, you don't need to choose between scalability, security, and decentralization. You can realize all three at once. Casper is building the future. And we see here users, wallets, developer tools, layer 2 projects, dApps, enterprise startups, researchers, exchanges, DAOs. And again, people still kind of wonder why their cryptocurrency isn't moving in value. Why is Casper staying at the same price? So let's continue. Powered by Casper, in partnership with Ocean Co. and powered by Casper blockchain, Super Yachts NFT has officially launched. This is a notable milestone for our growing NFT ecosystem. Again, they have some of the best NFTs out there. CTO M. Parlikar on the widespread skepticism around Web3. Blockchain is still an industry in its earliest days. Now, I don't expect normies in the world to figure out Web3. You tell people that Web3 is coming, they have no clue what you're talking about. But in the crypto world, people should realize how big Web3 is going to be. But I see people that hold crypto saying Web3 is not going to be that big of a deal. NFTs are not that big of a deal. They're absolutely wrong. NFTs are getting use case and utility, adding value to the network they're built upon. Casper exchange listing status for Binance, not yet. Coinbase, Gemini, not yet. When one of those exchanges decide to list Casper, I believe the price will definitely spike up. Casper Labs on delivering the vision for Ethereum 3.0 today. In my opinion, Ethereum is a dying crypto. It's dated. And sure, people still hold it, and a lot of people are fans of Ethereum, but that's because they've been in crypto for a long time. New investors come in, do not want to pay Ethereum fees. There's better opportunities out there. There's better options. Casper is one of them. And as time goes on, eventually people will stop paying the Ethereum fees and it will phase out, in my opinion. A growing number of organizations are building on Casper for its predictable and cost-effective gas pricing, ease of migration for existing apps, dApps, environmentally friendly energy consumption model, meticulous support and services. They make it so easy to build with Casper. I could see a lot more developments happening over time. A lot more people are going to come and build with Casper, and the ecosystem will continue to grow and expand. Casper Network team is working to make of Casper one of the most programming-friendly language blockchains in the industry, so it can be accessible to the wide network of devs around the world. They're not looking for a handful of devs. They're going after all the devs in the entire world. Think about that. And they make it so easy to build with them. IPWE, Casper Labs has built an NFT-based chain of custody solution for IPWE's public patent records on the Casper public blockchain. Patents are created and securely stored as NFTs so that they are traceable and tradable. That's very big. Our ability to deliver real-time proof of ownership makes patent transactions simpler and more cost-efficient, and lays the foundation for consortium of patent owners, patent offices, and verifiers to grant, publish, own, and transfer patents. That is very big. Thousands of patents are created every single day. You know, a lot of people patent things that don't actually ever get created, but yet there's a patent for it. Metacast sought to modernize the high-end whiskey market by creating an innovative new business model that would democratize the market and provide access to new growth audiences. We translated this bold ambition into a seamless UX by building NFTs representing whiskey casks and enabling investors to quickly register an account, complete verification check, fund their wallet with crypto, and begin acquiring and selling casks of our new digital platform the same day. The same day. This expanded the geographies in which Metacast had operated, enabling a new generation of investors and customers to participate in the market for rare whiskey casks and lowering the client's go-to-market cost. Lowering the cost is very important. You know, people don't realize how big inflation is right now. Anything that lowers the cost of something is very valuable. And anytime somebody wants to build, they want it to be cheap. That's why I'm saying at some point people will get fed up with Ethereum gas fees. WiseKey is a publicly traded digital security company using the Casper network for their NFTs. One great use is the WiseSat space constellation, launched with SpaceX, that enables the direct connection of satellites to Internet of Things devices. That's very big. Do you know how many millions and millions of IoT devices there are? WiseKey will soon have so many satellites in orbit that data from the Internet of Things devices anywhere on Earth can be saved and protected on the blockchain. Imagine an Internet of Things device inserted into a vaccine supply box so that health providers know the location of the supply and whether it has been compromised by someone opening the box or storing it at the wrong temperature. That's how big this is. Data stored on the Casper blockchain provides critical, reliable communication on the location and condition of goods in the supply chain. So you see how Casper continues to build and grow. And yet people still say, well, the price isn't moving. I see all these announcements of Casper, partnering with this company or that company, but the price isn't moving. So people worry when the price doesn't move. That's going to turn around very soon, in my opinion. eMusic.io works with some of the biggest names in music. These artists are innovators who want to create uniquely valuable experiences for their fans. In partnership with Hot Living and Megalodon, eMusic bold ambition is to simplify the music industry, transforming artists into platforms that enable music lovers to connect in entirely new ways with their favorite artists, and even share in revenue creation, since we specialize in the adoption of blockchain and rapid onboarding of developers. We are helping our eMusic.io show powerhouse innovators and entrepreneurs in the music world how to monetize far more than their music. Limited edition music NFTs will be the first asset to be offered by eMusic.io artists, and any aspect of their brand can now be tokenized and shared through Casper secure, energy efficient, and low cost NFT technology. That's very big. Again, continuing to build and grow even inside of a bear market. And that's real world use case also. Plus it shows the value of NFTs with real use case and utility. And yet people still don't realize the value that Casper has. When we go on a full-blown utility run, people are going to be shocked at the prices on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. And then we see here, this is the new financial system. And before, Casper would never be included in any of these mappings. Neither would Hedera or Constellation. But I said it right from day one. The second Casper partnered with IBM, that they would be part of the new financial system. So not only are they a well-rounded cryptocurrency, but they're also part of that, the new financial system. They're tied to NFTs, tied to Metaverse, Web3, GameFi, music. The list goes on and on. Casper has a ton of value, and I believe it's a sleeping giant. New unstaking operation. And we see here only 1% fees, 100% availability, 2,200 plus delegators, Casper Analytics that shows everything that goes on with staking and unstaking. And staking is great with any cryptocurrency because it allows you to get passive income. You don't have to sell your crypto to make money with it. At some point, you should be able to send your crypto to work for you so you have the freedom to do whatever you want. Casper will also give you that ability. You need to invest in the right cryptocurrencies now or you'll miss out. The fourth industrial revolution is here. If you invest the right way, you could easily get generational wealth at this point. Casper's also part of the fourth industrial revolution. It will easily pass regulations and it's going to be with us when all those other cryptos disappear. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. Please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.